You'll be more organized. You'll know exactly what to practice. You're going to get better at drums every day. And you're going to play more creative beats and fills. Hi, I'm Falk, and through my 15 years of teaching experience, I've found that developing drum set independence is one of the most important aspects to playing drums. It's also something that all drummers, whether they're brand new or have been playing for years, seem to struggle with. I hear about drummers wanting to increase their independence, and they're constantly trying to find new ways to increase their abilities. They purchase books, buy videos, and practice for hours and hours. Many of them are seeing very little progress. What doesn't seem to work well is a 200-page book that's loaded with exercises and patterns. Personally, I find these demotivating, as all they really do is leave drummers feeling confused about what to practice, and they get no results in the time spent behind their kit. Well, I've been working on something for the past 3 years that I'm very excited to share with you. It's a step-by-step course on developing independence on the drum set called Independence Made Easy. The course is called Independence Made Easy for a reason. It doesn't start easy, but this is the only drumming course that has ever been created that will actually get easier to complete as you go along. With other drum books and videos, it's very hard to stay motivated when you just complete a crazy hard exercise, then you flip the page, and you see something that's twice as hard as the one you just spent hours practicing. This kills your drumming motivation and makes drummers hate practicing. With Independence Made Easy, you will love practicing, and your freedom around the drum set will expand quickly, and you'll unlock creativity and be able to play all the beats and fills that you've always wanted to play. Bottom line is, we all don't have unlimited time. And personally, as a father of 2 young boys, I have a job that I need to go to every day, and I have other hobbies. I'm learning this more and more every day. We all love playing drums, but we only have a certain amount of time to practice. And during the other times, we want to enjoy all the hard work that we put in and just get to play drums and play music. The Independence Made Easy course will last 26 weeks. On Monday of each week, I'll preload 1 new lesson in your online account for you to watch and use for your drumming practice. This is your assignment for the week, should you choose to accept it. Within each lesson, I'll give you very specific instructions on exactly what to practice, how long to practice for, and I'll even tell you at what point you have completed the material. So it doesn't matter whether you're a beginner, an intermediate, or advanced drummer. I'm going to give tips for each skill level to ensure that there's something for everyone. After completing the 6-month course, you're going to be able to play more musical sounding drum grooves. You're going to be able to play better sounding drum fills. You'll become a more efficient practicer. You're going to save yourself time. You're going to enjoy playing the drums more because you're going to get better quicker. Now, I've been doing this for 15 years, and you know that I only provide the absolute best lessons. So for the next 6 months, I'm looking to work with students who are willing to put in the hard work to get the results that I know they can get with a little bit of practice and a lot of patience. So remember, you are not alone in this journey. For the next 6 months, please consider me your personal private instructor. I'm here to help you along the way with anything that you need. To get started, just click the green order button on this page. Join the amazing community of Drumeos who are taking their drumming independence to the next level. I'll see you online.